Your garden is more than just an outdoor space, it's an extension of your home and your lifestyle. In this video, you'll discover over 35 modern garden decor ideas that can instantly upgrade your yard, no matter its size. From clean minimalist designs and stylish lighting to contemporary furniture and smart decorative details, these ideas are all about simplicity, elegance, and comfort. Whether you're planning a full transformation or just looking for small upgrades with big impact, this collection will inspire you to create a modern garden that feels calm, stylish, and truly inviting.